Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with GoHighLevel. This integration allows you to automate intelligent responses and leverage AI-powered workflows directly within your GoHighLevel system, making your customer interactions smarter and more efficient. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to set up this integration, as this will affect which workflows and automations you have access to. After signing in, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see various options listed there, and you're looking for one called Automation. Click on it to access the Automation Hub, where you'll build your ChatGPT integration workflow. You'll now be on the Automations page, which displays all your existing workflows. To create a new one, click on Create Workflow. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to build your custom ChatGPT integration exactly how you need it. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to the workflow editor. This is where the magic happens. To begin, you need to set up the first trigger that will initiate your workflow. Click on Add New Trigger to get started. A right side panel will expand, showing you various trigger options. You can select the type of workflow trigger based on your specific needs. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Form Submitted trigger, which is perfect for capturing and responding to form entries. Use the search bar to quickly find it and click on it. The trigger window will now expand with additional configuration options. Here, you'll need to select a name for this trigger to keep your workflow organized. Once you've named it, click Save Trigger located in the lower right corner of your screen. Now comes the exciting part, integrating ChatGPT. To add the next step in your workflow, click on the plus sign icon near the end of your trigger. This opens the search action bar. Type in ChatGPT to find the integration. Under the External AI Models section, you'll see an option called GPT powered by OpenAI. Click on it to add this action to your workflow. The GPT menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll need to fill out several important fields. These include action name, which helps you identify what this step does, model, which lets you choose which version of GPT to use, action type, and the prompt field where you'll define what you want ChatGPT to do or respond with. Once you've configured all these fields according to your needs, click Save Action, then click Save in the upper right corner of your screen to finalize your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.